What's good, Steam? It's your boy Elemental here, and today is the day that the Steem Silver Rounds have come into play. Bet. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing video for you, like I do every year that I get rounds from Steem Silver Gold. Thank you, Ray Brockman, for all your hard work putting this project together. Thank you, EDX Service, and all the other contestants in the Steem Silver Round contest for 2019 for providing excellent designs to choose from. Like every year, it's always a tough choice which one to pick. There's always such great submissions. So, anyway, I rolled quite the joint to commemorate the rounds this year. I'm gonna go ahead and light this up while I do the unboxing. This is some organic monster berry that I grew, mixed with some lemon G skunk from also organic from Oregon Hemp Genetics. Oh yeah. One hit. So, let's get right to it. I'm assuming these are the certificates of authenticity. I'll open those in a second. Right, here's the routes. I unfortunately wasn't able to buy as many rounds as I would have liked this season. I would have liked to get, you know, like 10 or 20, maybe more. If my financial position was different and or the value of the Steem currency was a little higher, I probably would have. When we see that price go back up, just in case you guys aren't aware of this project, this is a great way to cash out your Steem into something physical. It's really easy to do as well. Now this year, I'm assuming a lot of the people that ordered rounds this year kind of had similar financial issues that I did in both those areas. And so as a result, you know, usually there's 1,500 rounds printed each year. This year there were only 777 rounds printed. That's how many were sold in the pre-sale, so they just decided to, Ray just decided to go ahead and leave it at that. Which is probably a good move. Ooh, these are pretty. Boom. Beautiful. Check these out on a close-up. Look at that silver. And it really does have a mirror finish on it. That glimmer. Whew. And now without the flash. See the ways. So, yeah, got my fat stack here. Well, not really all the way fat, but I'm really thrilled to have these. They're beautiful, beautiful. Once again, the design came out amazing on the metal. Yeah, it's just a great round. You can really see a reflection in it too, on the backside there with that mirrored metal. These are all 1 pure ounce of 0.99 Argentinian silver, and yeah, it says that right on there. It actually has the numbers on the sides too. It'll be hard to show you on the video, but this one's number 521. Okay. Now these are the COAs. There's the first one, 523. So yeah, all mine are in sequence, number 520 out of 524. I'm perfectly fine with that because I chose random numbers. I didn't select any numbers, and you can select your own numbers if you want to pay a little bit extra, but it doesn't matter as much to me. I actually lost when I got a bunch of rounds last year, and I actually lost some of the certificates of authenticity. I think what happened was I was vending down in at Anarchapulco conference in Acapulco, Mexico last February, and I actually had the COAs out on the table for a second, and there was a lot going on. I had patrons around me looking at my items, and I also had my COAs out, and all my other items were all over. I was still trying to get set up, kind of a lot of stuff going on around me at the time, and there was this massive wind gust that came through a couple of times as all that was going on. And I think at some point, without me noticing, a good portion of my certificate of authenticities for my 2018 rounds actually got lost in the wind. I still have some of them that I didn't have with me that day, but I lost probably 40% of them, maybe. I'm not exactly sure how many. I'd have to go back and look to see which ones I have and which ones I'm missing. Fortunately, though, I was able to sell a good amount of those rounds down there, even without the certificates of authenticity. The first couple people that bought them got the COAs because that was before that happened, and then they kind of just after they flew away, nobody asked me about any certificates of authenticity, and they were happy to get the rounds either way, so that worked out well for everyone. Sucks I couldn't provide those people with the COAs. Who knows, maybe they got them eventually, maybe somebody else picked them up and found them. Yeah, who knows, but they went somewhere off. They're down in Acapulco, so I don't know if there's any way to replace those or not, but I don't know. I just figured I'd mention it because I hadn't said anything about it yet. But yeah, so thanks again, Steem Silver Gold, Ray Brockman, everybody involved with the Steem Silver Round project, EDX, EDX service, and yeah, this is a really good joint. You know, I hope you guys enjoyed this with me, watching the video, and maybe even enjoyed some nice fine cannabis with me here as you're watching. So, till next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out. Have a wonderful day. I got some awesome fucking video posts coming up here in the next several days. Peace out.